Good morning, everybody. All the birdies waiting for the feed, and then they gotta wait their turn, 'cause there's the feeder right there. So, how many birds do we have? Two, four, 6, 8, 10. There's at least two. There's about 20 birds there. Wow, that's a lot of birds. A lot of birds per little feeder. Maybe we need to get another feeder. I don't know. What do you think? All the birdies waiting to have their turn, and then they have a fight. Hmm. It's nice and quiet. Birds are eating to make the prettiest noise. Why don't you listen for a little bit? Thanks for the warning. Bye bye, y'all.